Hi all, let's have some BaY talk. We bond with our children in many ways. The way we receive them matters. Our smile, hugs, cuddles and kisses are as important as kind words and appreciation. Give respect and take respect. When we have patience to meet their needs, the same or more effort takes to get to know what they want. This mutual understanding comes through bonding. Often when we fail to understand the reason for their pleas, we end up forcing our intuition and ideas like what they might be asking for. Every time, the choice is ours. Children are helpless and they cry and shout and at last do what you instruct. The picture is different everywhere. What you say about your child is the first hint for them about their identity. This quote is simple and clear enough to know the depth of our words. Just take our own experience as an example. If somebody says bad about us, we may ignore, but still our mind analyzes those words. Is it true? How can somebody say so? If the negative comment is so gross to ignore or handle, our self-confidence quivers when we get to meet the same person. We elders have such choice to analyze our feelings. But a child is new to handling good and bad comments. All they know is there are some good traits and bad things. But what comes in the good and bad section is still a mystery. They learn to continue doing good and stop the bad deeds through elders' reaction to their behavior. So be clear with your appreciation. Stop double meaning. When you mock them and laugh out their mischief, they misunderstand it to be something that makes you happy and obviously goes to the good thing section. And later when they repeat it and try to correct them, they get confused. We parents have the habit of sharing our parenting experience and we share the good times as well as the bad and funny ones too. A child's deeds are no doubt cute and funny for elders. So when having such talks, if your child is present, try to share what they can be confident of, not the ones which help elders to make fun of. Remember, when elders fail to act mature, the child loses the color of his childhood. Please share your thoughts and ideas on this topic. If you have learned something new, don't hesitate to share. Let's make a difference.